All right, number one, we're going to use the properties of log to evaluate and simplify this problem as much as possible without a calculator. So we are given log base 3 of 81 and then times x squared. So it's 81x squared. So the first thing that we can do is use the property of logs that says when you multiply, you can write them as addition of two separate logs. So we're going to do log base 3 of 81, the number, and then plus log base 3 of x squared. All right. Now, this base 3, I do know that 3 or 81 can be written in terms of 3 as base 3. So let me at least go to the power table and just remind you of that. So notice the 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. So I want to rewrite, I didn't mean to lose it all. I want to rewrite the 81 in terms of 3. So we're going to say log base 3, and then instead of 81, I'm going to write 3 to the 4th plus, and then here I'm going to use the property that says you can take the exponent and bring it down to the front as a multiple. So this is going to be 2 times log base 3, and then we just have the x here. And then if you go back to the cancellation property, log base 3 of 3 will cancel and just leave us with 4. So we have 4 plus 2 log base 3 of x. And then this is as much as we can simplify. So this is what they're looking for, and we're going to fill in all the blanks with these numbers. So we have a 4, 2, base 3, and x. All right. This almost looks like the same problem, but it's a little bit different. And then this time we have a base 9. So 2, we have log base 9 of 81, and then that is x to the 8th. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to separate it first. So I have log base 9 of 81, and then plus, because we're multiplying, log base 9 of x to the 8th power. We're going to rewrite, since we have a base 9, we're going to see, can we write 81 in terms of 9? And yes, you can. That will give you 9 squared. But if you come down here to the 9s, you see 9 to the 2nd power is 81. So we're going to rewrite the 81. And I'm also going to take this exponent and bring it down as a multiple. So we have log base 9. And then I'm going to write 81 as 9 squared, plus I'm going to bring down the 8, and that's going to be 8 log base 9 of x. All right, and then using the cancel property, the 9 log base 9 will cancel out, evaluating at 9, and we bring down 2, and then plus 8 log base 9 of x. 2, 8, base 9, and then we have x.